In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Grammarly AI for emails, essays, and more. Whether you're drafting a crucial email, polishing your next big essay, or just making sure your everyday writing is top-notch, Grammarly offers tools to enhance your writing with ease. Let's dive in and explore how you can make the most of Grammarly and its AI features. To get started, ensure you have a document open that you're working on, whether it's an email draft, a Word document, or even a Google document. Having your text ready on the screen sets the stage for Grammarly to step in and provide its valuable insights. Next, you'll want to look for the distinct Grammarly logo, which you'll recognize as a green circle with a white G inside. This icon is your gateway to smooth grammatical checks and enhancements. When you click on this Grammarly icon, a sidebar will open up on your screen, giving you access to a myriad of tools. Immediately, Grammarly will start evaluating your text. You'll notice that it begins suggesting improvements almost straight away. These suggestions will appear as underlined words or phrases within your document, indicating potential areas for enhancement, whether that's correcting a simple spelling mistake or offering rewording options to make your writing clearer and more engaging. To work through these suggestions, simply click on each highlighted area. Grammarly will then present its proposed alternative, giving you the opportunity to see how the adjustment can enhance your writing. This interactive feedback not only helps polish your current document, but also aids in your skill development over time. Once you see a suggestion you agree with, you just click Accept or Apply, and Grammarly will automatically implement the correction for you. This feature saves you valuable time and effort during the editing process. Now, if you're ever in a rush or facing a bout of writer's block, Grammarly AI has got your back. Located within the same interface, you'll find the Grammarly AI button. This feature is a fantastic resource, helping you generate text when you need a little inspiration. Whether you're looking to kickstart the introduction of your essay or create a professional opening line for an email, Grammarly AI provides a robust starting point. Grammarly AI is incredibly versatile. You can use it while crafting formal emails to ensure your tone and language meet professional standards or elevate the quality of an academic essay with ease. It's designed to be your dependable writing assistant, adapting to your unique style and needs across all types of platforms and writing scenarios. With these straightforward steps, you can substantially enhance your writing quality using Grammarly and its AI capabilities. Explore these features to communicate more effectively, whether in emails or essays. Practice using Grammarly regularly, and you'll soon notice your writing confidence soar. Thank you for joining me, and happy writing with Grammarly.